I'm back. All right, so we're gonna start out today throwing a size 6 Panther Martin. It's a 1/4 ounce. This one's painted brook trout style. Welcome. It's been a minute since I've uploaded a video. I've had a pretty good spring of fishing and figured why not make one today. We are at my trout pond, which is in the Adirondacks. We're throwing that size 6 Panther Martin. I was here the other day, first cast, I caught a trout. Let's see how it goes today. There is a ton of pine needles on top of the water. Hoping they don't mess things up. Nothing on the first cast. Got one on the second. I lost him. You hit it quick, let go of it. It's a good sign, though. Good sign. Put it right out there again. Hopefully he comes back. Ooh. This feels like a good one. Hit it harder than I thought. There you go. Not bad. Nice little stocky. Oop, come on, dude. Little stocky rainbow. 4th cast, not bad. We're gonna get him back in the water. Oh, that's not the water, that's the water. Later, dude, peace. And he's off. All right, so that was a nice start to the afternoon. Only took 4 casts to land 1 rainbow. When I cast these Panther Martins, I give them a little pull to the side. You should be able to feel the blade fluttering as you reel it. And you will feel when a fish hits it. Just a nice steady retrieve. Sometimes I will throw little jerks into it or let it drop and then retrieve and drop. But usually here, just a steady retrieve will get the job done. Tug, get that blade moving. Feel it moving. Ooh. Oh. have something, but it feels like I don't. Ah, he was a little guy. That was funny. He hit that second after it hit the water, but it felt like I had nothing on the line almost the entire time reeling him in. Didn't get him on shore. He was a tiny guy. There we go. Oh. Oh. Lost one. We are getting action. And we got one. Little one. Get him up through the weeds. All right. We had our second rainbow trout of the day. Another little guy. He's a cutie. Again, we caught him on a size 6 brook trout Panther Martin. I like the brook trout color. I also like the black, gold, and gold Panther Martin and the yellow, red, and silver Panther Martin. So yeah, like I said, the brook trout pattern, the black, gold, and gold, and the red, yellow, and silver Panther Martins are my 3 favorites. My least favorite is probably the Fire Tiger. I've not had much luck with that one. That doesn't mean don't try it. I am sure there are plenty of water bodies where it is effective. But I just find up here, those 3 color combos or patterns seem to work pretty well. It is getting hot. I would like to catch one more before we call it a day. Also, in the comments, let me know if you prefer Panther Martins, Meps, Rooster Tails, what is it, Blue Fox. Which brand of inline spinner do you prefer to throw? Like I said, for me, it's generally the Panther Martin. I will occasionally throw a Rooster Tail or a Meps here. Ah, the joys of braided line. It has been a nice afternoon of fishing. Really hot. Just missed a hit there. He tapped it real quick. See if we can get him. He felt small. We'll see. I'd like to get one more before we call it one. He didn't hit it super far offshore, so we don't want to Up there it was again. Don't want to put it out too far yet. There we go. Hooked him right offshore. All right. Whoa. Whoa, buddy. Come on. Oh my goodness. Things got a little out of control there. But we got a nice little stocky rainbow trout. You can tell he's stocky because he has nubs for fins. And his fins are beat up. We're gonna get him back in the water. And there he goes, he's good. All right, so there you have it. We just fished the trout pond using the Panther Martins size 6 brook trout color pattern. We had a pretty good day, caught 3 little rainbows, had a few other hits. Panther Martin is a great lure. Works really well on trout. Thanks for tuning in. Hope to see you soon.